Alright, here we go again. I bought 3 boards. That's just how I roll. I wanted to be able to have one that was kind of surfy, one that was easier to learn on from what I hear, and one for like park settings. So I got the Carver CX, the Carver C5 for the park, and then I got this one. It's not a Carver because I wanted something surfy. Because I grew up in California as a kid, and I always like, oh man, I want to be a surfer. And I moved to Missouri. There is no surf until now. Until now. Look at that beast. The Yow pipe. This thing is radical. Look at that Yow truck system. The Meraki. Oh boy. This is gonna be fun. If I don't break my neck. This board's beautiful. Made in Spain, 66 millimeters, 76A. This thing looks cool, man. Looks like this one screw's not tightened all the way down. Let's see that it's different than that one. But I'll check all this stuff before I ride it anyways. Well, that's crazy up here. It doesn't look like it's going to be that easy to check. This is screwed straight into the... Well, I'm going to take that apart. We'll look at it. There's not a lot of concave on this one, but it's... Yeah, it's just not a lot of concave on it. I like this fishtail for the looks. I don't know how it's going to be to ride, but I wanted it regardless. That's that. See how this whole adventure goes. If you come along and see if I break my arms or my legs, or if I just learn how to do it and I get pretty good. It seems like it's gonna... definitely be easier to pump out of the 3 boards I have. Where are we headed, buddy? Let's go get him. I see him. Like a breakthrough. I watched Steve from Surfskate Love, and he did this, you know, where you take your hand and like you're pushing. I tried it. It worked. You know, this is my first time on surf skate, and I feel like I just figured something out. I'm carving uphill. You guys ready? Careful on that, Wyatt. Whoa! I'm turning. This really was my very first day riding a surf skate. I rode 2 carvers earlier in the day, and then I rode the Xiao, and there really was no comparison on flatland. Now, I didn't have the C7s. I still don't have the C7s from Carver. I'm planning on getting a pair to test them out, but the Yao is really great for flatland carving, for pumping, just a real surfy, flowy feeling. Now, I've gotten better since this video. I don't just wiggle my butt and feet. But the Yao is by far my favorite board so far for pumping and carving. Now in the park, it's a different story. It's a little wobbly, dropping in and rolling down ramps. It's still pretty fun in the park, but I'm not that good yet. Thanks for watching.